scrapers. So I got these hurricane scrapers. I forget what angle they were at. It looks like they're definitely not at 40. So I can tell you real quick what angle these are at. Of course, angles are always confusing because it depends on which side you're measuring them from. So if I measure them from this side, I'm at about 63 degrees. Okay, 63 degrees. My new D-way gouge is at, and it's a negative rake, it's at 60. So it's close. So 63, 60, something like that. You can make, if you don't have one of these gauges like Stuart Batty has, and I actually got this off of, Cindy Drozda, off her website. She still sells them, so if you're looking for them, that's where you can buy one of those. Let's see here. He has a little jig on D-Way on how to sharpen his scrapers. So it's just a piece of paper, cardboard. You can make these too, right? So he has two different ways. So this one here is the platform if you're doing a traditional wheel. So I would put that here, and then I would basically move this up until it fits my wheel just perfect. Right like that. Okay. Now, these came as regular scrapers. I made them negative rake. If you can see, it just has a little bevel right there. You do that once, and you don't need to do it again until you've sharpened all the metal away to where that no longer exists. And then you need to get your platform. I think I set my platform up, and you're creating an angle there. And if you have no bevel here and it's just straight, and then this is going to be pretty aggressive. It's going to take a lot of material off for you, but you got to be careful to make sure your tool handle is slightly up, or you'll get a catch. And scraper catches can be bad. So most people these days have put a relief on here, and like I said, it don't have to be much. We'll look at D-Ways. You can see here the relief angle is up here, okay? And that makes it to where you can have your tool level, maybe even slightly up, but you have your tool level and you won't get a catch. And this still removes pretty good amount of material, and it doesn't have as much tear out as a normal scraper. Okay. So a lot of talk about scrapers. So you can make these jigs. You could make these jigs for your bowl gouge platforms, your 40/40 grind platform, any tool that you want to sharpen to get your setup the way you want. You could make one of these. Okay. So I've got that set up for the normal thing. I would take not the relief end, but this part, and I would just turn up the grinder on, and I would just rotate this through. Right there, you're just going to rotate that. And it's only going to should only take you like rotating it through one time. Now, he also has an upside down version. Like instead of sharpening it this way with the wheel coming this way, he has it to where you can sharpen it this way to put the burr on there a little better. So the way he does that is you're actually upside down like that. Now you can take your tool. You could take your scraper and you can sharpen it upside down and put the bevel to where it's coming this way, the sharpener's coming this way. I find that's a little harder to see. So I don't know if I'm going to like that or not. I might have to try that and let you know. It's been working good for me the right side up way. So that's the way I would do it. That's how I would sharpen scrapers. You're really not going to use this to sharpen your scrapers. It's going to be on the platform.